Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use a normal keyboard in iOS and how to paste selected text or cutted text or copied text. Okay, so that's very simple. Here you can see this is my Protonix chiclet keyboard and it is connected by Bluetooth. Okay, so we are pressing, it is working. So normal in Windows and Android, we are normally using Ctrl key for copy all, copy text, and cut text and paste text. So, but in iOS, this method does not work. So we use window key instead of Control key. So our test is that I'm going to test normally selecting with window shift key and this arrow keys, and this is working with iOS also. So we are texting this text. Okay, now it is selected, you can see here, and we are normally pressing Ctrl X for cut. You can see a Ctrl X for cut and it is not working, but we are using instead of Ctrl key we are using Win key instead of Ctrl key. Okay, so press window key plus X, so it is cutted. So the text is cut. Then how to paste? It is very simple. Press Win key plus V. You can see here that is pasted. So use window key instead of Control key in iOS for copying, selecting all. So cut text and copy a text and paste a text. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.